Most seniors have lost up to 50% of their muscle mass, leading to falls, weakness, and even loss of independence. But what if I told you there's a small group of people in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s who have the strength of someone decades younger? Scientists at Harvard Medical School and the Mayo Clinic have identified 7 key habits that separate these so-called super-agers from their frail peers. And today, I'm revealing the number 1 daily habit they all have in common, a simple change you can make right now to rebuild muscle strength fast. Why seniors lose muscle? You've been told to just walk more or do some light exercise, right? That's not enough. After 60, your body's ability to build and maintain muscle plummets. And if you're missing this one crucial habit, you're losing muscle faster than you think. The science, what's really happening? The truth is, after 60, your neuromuscular junctions, the connections between your nerves and muscles, start breaking down before the muscles themselves do. This is why even if you're eating enough protein, your muscles may not be activating properly. And here's the real shocker, 80% of seniors are deficient in a critical vitamin that directly affects muscle function. If you're missing this, your strength is fading away, no matter how much you exercise. Here's a breakdown of all 5 habits that help super-agers maintain muscle strength and stay strong well into their 70s, 80s, and beyond. These habits are backed by research from Harvard Medical School, the Mayo Clinic, and longevity experts. 1. Hormetic stressors, activating longevity genes. Your body thrives under small amounts of controlled stress, called hormetic stressors. These trigger longevity genes that protect muscle tissue and slow aging. Examples of hormetic stressors. Cold exposure, cold showers, ice baths, boosts mitochondria and muscle recovery. Fasting, intermittent fasting, stimulates muscle-preserving growth hormones. High-intensity exercise, short bursts of effort, helps rebuild fast-twitch muscle fibers. Why it works? These stressors force the body to adapt, keeping muscles stronger and more resilient. Super-agers regularly expose their bodies to mild, beneficial stress to stay strong and youthful. 2. Strategic protein timing matters more than total amount. Most people focus on eating more protein, but research shows when you eat protein is just as important, especially after 60. Key protein timing strategies. Protein in the morning. Many seniors eat little protein at breakfast, but your body absorbs it best earlier in the day. Post-exercise protein, within 30 minutes, boosts muscle repair and prevents breakdown. Evenly spread throughout the day. Instead of one large protein meal at dinner, aim for 20 or 30 g per meal. 3. Vitamin D optimization. The critical deficiency affecting 80% of seniors. Vitamin D is essential for muscle strength and function, yet 80% of seniors are deficient, leading to weakness, fatigue, and increased fall risk. Why it's important? Vitamin D helps muscles contract properly. Supports testosterone and growth hormones, important for muscle maintenance. Strengthens bones and reduces fall risk. How to optimize it? Get 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily. Take a vitamin D3 supplement, with vitamin K2 for better absorption. Eat vitamin D-rich foods, salmon, egg yolks, fortified dairy. 4. Daily inflammation management, stopping silent muscle breakdown. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer of muscle strength. As we age, inflammatory molecules increase, causing muscle wasting and weakness. Anti-inflammatory habits of super-agers. Eat anti-inflammatory foods, leafy greens, turmeric, fatty fish, berries. Avoid ultra-processed foods and excess sugar, they fuel inflammation and muscle loss. Get quality sleep, 7 to 9 hours. Poor sleep increases inflammation and reduces muscle repair. 5. Progressive resistance training, the number 1 daily habit. This is the most powerful habit for rebuilding lost muscle. As we age, we lose fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for strength, balance, and preventing falls. What it is: strength-based movements using body weight, resistance bands, or light weights. Why it works: it stimulates muscle regrowth and neuromuscular connections that decline with age. How to do it: just 10 minutes a day of bodyweight squats, resistance band exercises, or wall push-ups. Walking and light exercise aren't enough. they mostly use slow-twitch fibers, which don't prevent muscle loss. Do this, and your body will thank you, and no matter your age. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful health tips.